Then to you, the queen of track and field, P.T. Usha, the flying six, Milkha Singh. Cricket master blaster Sachin Tendulkar, the Haryana Hurricane Kapil Dev.
That's it, Beta. Thank you.
Top football scorers, Bison Bhutia and Sunil Chhetri. Tennis aces, Sania Mirza and Leander Paes. The Hall of Fame World Wrestling Champion, Sridhara Singh. The sharpshooter, Abhinav Bindra. Top ranked badminton players, Saina Nehwal and Prakash Karthik. The chess grandmaster, Vishwanathan Anand. And above all, the wizard of hockey, Major Dhyanchand Singh.
The National Sports Day is celebrated on 29th August each year to spread awareness about sports and honor all the players who brought laurels to our country. This day commemorates the birth of Major Dhyanchand Singh, who was born on this day in 1905 with an ordinary childhood and background. He joined the army when he was 16. There he met Subedar and Major Bhole Tiwari, who introduced him to hockey. There was no looking back after this. Major Dhyanchand played hockey for the next 22 years, scoring over 1,000 goals in his career. He won Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and as captain in 1936. Inspired by him, the Indian hockey team went on to win 7 out of 8 gold medals from 1926 to 1964. Major Dhyanchand was awarded the Padma Bhushan, the Khel Ratna Award, Arjuna Award and the Guru Dronacharya Award are given by the President of India on this day to sportspersons with exemplary contribution to Indian games. So what should we do to celebrate this day? Let us pledge to play at least one game that will keep us fit and help in building our personality. Thank you and have a nice day.